Okay, guys, today I'm eating shawarma. Yeah, it's prepared with chicken, some cucumbers, carrots, some gravy, and other stuff. There's also mutton shawarma, which is prepared with mutton. Okay, I'll show you. I have two shawarma here. This is actually my dinner. Yeah, this shawarma, mutton shawarma. Let's eat it. The sauce is excessive, is overeating, it's falling apart. Okay, it is the shawarma. It has actually some chicken, cucumbers and sauce, special shawarma sauce. Okay, I have my first bite. This is actually pretty good, pretty tasty. I'm eating shawarma after almost 1 year. I'm glad I ordered this from the foodie app, not Food Panda or Pathao. Foodie app. Okay, here's the meat. Is slipping away from the naan roti. Okay, it's very tasty. You know, now they have the foil wrapping paper. Years ago, they used to have some wrapping paper similar to tissue. Okay, anyways, I'm eating. Okay, I'm almost done. I'll wrap this video right here and finish it. One last bite and I'll finish this video. Until next time, peace.